Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I wanted to go over the handout that we did today in class for those who were absent or for those who may not have understood what I was doing when I was going over these examples, or you might have been out of the classroom. So I'm going to do a couple examples from the adding and subtracting integers, and then I'm going to create another video that goes over simplifying variable expression, which is on the back of the handout. All right, so basically what we're doing here is we're just adding and subtracting negative and positive integers. A lot of students are comfortable with this, but there are some students who are not. And one of the things I want you to encourage is when you're not sure how to add and subtract positive and negative integers, it's always a good idea to use a number line. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. I'm going to do a couple examples, and then I'm going to post this. So this one says we have a negative 12 plus 7. And the rules are this. If you have a negative number or if you have a minus, you're going to go to the left when you count. And if you have a positive number or if you're doing addition, you're going to go to the right. Now, if you have an addition and a negative sign, it's the negative that takes precedence. So I'm going to do number one and show you exactly what to do. So it says you got a negative 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at 0, which is here, and I'm going to count to the left because it's negative 12. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I have a positive 7, or I'm adding 7. So now I'm going to go in the right direction for 7. So I'm going to start here to negative 12. So you always start where you finished off. And so this one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so I finish at a negative 5. So that is my answer. So a negative 12 plus 7 is a negative 5. All right, so now I'm going to do another one. So I'm going to do number 3. So it says a negative 6 plus 12. Again, we start with a negative number, so we're going to go to the left, and then we're going to follow that by going to the right for 12. So we're going to start at 0, and we're going to go a negative 7, or negative 6 is going to be, let me get this going. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that's where I end with the negative 6. Now I'm going to do 12 in the right direction because it's a positive 12. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I finish at a positive 6. So that's my answer. Boom, done. Now, that's all you're doing. And if you have something like this, negative 45, now you can just kind of start at a negative 45, and you know you're going to be going to the right. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and so this will be negative 44, negative 43, negative 42, negative 41, negative 40, negative 39, negative 38, negative 7, a negative 6, and then a negative 5. So now if I start from a negative 45 and I go 9 to the right, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I finish at a negative 36. That's your answer. So even if you don't, like this one only goes up to a negative 10, you can still use a number line. You just have to be a little bit more creative. All right, so that's it. I hope this has been helpful. And if you need more videos, just let me know. I'll be glad to do them, but I hope this is enough. So I'm going to stop this and I'm going to post it.